Happy All Eyes on Friday, my friends. Today we're doing a beautiful golden eye on Maskcara's birthday. We're using Goldie, Sabrina, Coco, and the beautiful Tangled. So right now I'm doing a base color of Sabrina on top of both my lid and my hood just to give a nice solid base. I already have a primer set with my mascara and my setting spray. Going with some Coco into the hood of my eye, tapping it onto the sides and then blending it and sweeping it across. Now here's a trick for hooded eyes, drawing a new crease above that hood on the actual line of your brow bone. So this creates a new hood, so when you have your eyes nice and open, they don't get lost in that nasty little crease. Next, I'm taking the showstopper, the beautiful Goldie, because it is Maskcara's 3rd birthday, and what better to celebrate than with a beautiful gold eye. So I'm pressing her into the corner of my eye, and then I'm taking her across the top of my eye, leaving the bottom open. So I'm making a halo of Goldie across my eye. Adding a little bit more depth to the corner of my eye with Coco, which is a beautiful mahogany colored brown. She's so warm and beautiful. Adding just a tiny bit more Goldie to the side of my eye just to really make sure that it pops. Now I'm pressing and not sweeping. Now I'm using Tangled into the middle of my eye and then sweeping her out across. So I have a nice bright center of my eye. For those hooded eyes, it keeps me nice, bright, and awake. It also just gives this really cool ombre effect. Taking a little bit more Coco, and I'm using the multitasker brush to line the bottom of my eye and then connecting it to the hood of my eye, or the crease that I used with Coco. Cleaning up the edges with just some Sabrina, just a tiny bit, just wiping those up. And that is it, my friends. Adding the mascara and Black Friday eyeliner in this beautiful golden eye for Maskcara's 3rd birthday party. Check out the link below to view these colors. Click like and subscribe. Thanks, friends.